No.
Welcome to today's Igbo lesson. In this video, we are going to learn how to conjugate Igbo verbs in the present, past, and future tenses. I'll walk you through simple examples and give you tips to master the tenses. Let's dive in. Today in this video, we are going to focus only on the present tense. In future videos, we'll go over the past tense, future tense, and the imperative forms. So to conjugate an Igbo verb in the present tense, all you have to do is pronoun plus auxiliary particle na plus the verb root. For instance, in the verb iga, let's use the verb iga as an example. Iga, we are conjugating it in the present tense. All we have to do is a pronoun, I'm using which is I, plus na, plus aga, and that is naga, I am going, naga. So how will you say he or she is going? He or she is going. O plus na plus aga, onaga, onaga, he or she is going. How would you say they are going? They are going. Ha plus na plus aga. That is correct. So that will be hanaga, hanaga. They are going. Hanaga. Let's look at some exercises. Exercise 1. Sentence transformation. You have to transform the following root verbs into sentences in the present tense. Okay, you can do it. Iru, iri, ije, ego, ige. Okay, exercise 2 says fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks using the present tense form of the given verbs. Blank, ụlọ ahịa ugbu a. Ha blank, akwụkwọ ugbu a. Anyị blank, nri. Ọ blank. Okay, just fill in the blanks. Here you have your answers. Here you have your answers. Okay, so let's look at exercise 3. Translate the following sentences into Igbo using the present tense structure. So you have to translate these 5 sentences into Igbo. Okay, here you have your answers. M na-eri osikapa. Anyị na-agụ akwụkwọ. Ọ na-abịa n'ụlọ. Ha na-azụta uwe. Ọ na-agwa onye nkụzi okwu. Exercise 4. Identify which of the following sentences are in the present tense. So here you have your answers. Remember, to form the present tense of an Igbo verb, you simply do pronoun plus auxiliary particle na plus verb, and that's it. You're good to go. Stay tuned for the next video on the past tense formation. Daalụ, ka ọ dị mgbe ọzọ.